I'm going out here to Oxnard. We were out there 2-3 weeks ago, but I want to go back because tomorrow I have a meeting with the Ventura County Oral Health Collaborative, and I want to present them with some photos, show them the progress. Well, there's some big people in this meeting, and I want to let them know exactly where we are and just start to timeline this thing, when we're going to have our grand opening. I'm looking forward to this thing really rolling at this point. So we're going to ride out here and take a look at it, get some photos. So let's see what Oxnard looks like today. So I'm just pulling up here in Oxnard. It's been about 3 weeks almost since the last time I was here. We had grass signs down there missing. The contractors aren't here. The drywall isn't up. The door's locked. I tried to get inside and it seemed as though the lockbox has changed. We wanted to go inside to show progress. And
I can get you open.
You got it? Okay. I just looked on the wall here, the glass, and they have an inspection record. And today is what's today's date?
14th.
The 14th. And the inspection record says they were here last on 7/30 and this 8/14. So 14 days have passed and it's just sitting there. So of course I'm pissed off. Today I came out specifically to take some photographs because I have a group that I'm working with that I wanted to present, and they're asking, well, when is it going to be ready? When are you going to do the grand opening? And I wanted to show them progress. But like I said, we were here 3 weeks ago, and this is the same place, same way it looked then.
Sure.
That kind of slowed us up a little bit. Well, but they could have still been, once it's in, they could start closing walls, but at first they got to close the floor. But the one thing they won't get is another check until I can see some real progress at this point. I'm going to just hold up on the funds. Nothing gets paid until I see something. Now, finishing drywall, give me some floors, let's get a date. What's the estimated date? Give me a deadline. I'm really pissed and I have to call now the contractor to see what the hell is going on. I'm sitting here and I know they start multiple jobs and so forth, but I need to be priority so that I can get open and make this thing happen. It's the same thing that when I was here 3 weeks ago. Coming way back here, Oxnard was just a big disappointment. I get all the way out there. It takes us an hour and almost 15 minutes to drive from LA to Oxnard, and I get here and this thing is looking the same way it did 3 weeks ago. I don't know what the hell is going on, whether they're on another job, don't want to get the thing done, or just what, but I'm having to raise hell, and now I got to kick it in gear, you know, and that's a problem you have sometimes with the contractors. Once they get about 70% of the money, they tend to want to go to another job site and start something else, and then you got to beg them to come back. But I'm not in the habit of doing a hell of a lot of begging. I'm actually in the habit of getting things done. So 2 weeks from now, we're going to see something else. We're going to see some action. You know, I want you to watch. I'm going to get it done.